All right, so welcome back to Basin Motorsports. Today's episode of Real Talk is about building for other people. Now that WideFox is kind of getting to where I thought it should be, it's about to make some noise, I've started to get some inquiries about building more. Not necessarily an exact duplicate or a copy of WideFox, but I've had 3 other people ask if I would build another wide body specifically to their taste. So the first thing I want to say about that is I think it's very cool that other people are willing to give me precedence or give me the chance to build something else for them. But at this point, I have to say no. And really the main reason, or the 2 main reasons I have to say no, is time and accountability. A couple weeks ago, I had let you guys in on my schedule and kind of where it keeps me to the point almost of breaking a lot of times because I am always so busy. So at the full-time job, the farm, writing gigs, and everything else, a lot of time I don't have more than 2 or 3 hours a week to spend on WideFox. So in order to be able to build for somebody else, I'd have to take time out of the equation. The deadline of when it's done is when I say it's done. When you're spending your money, a lot of times that's not good enough. You want to say, hey, if I'm spending X amount of dollars, I want it done in my time frame, whether that's a week, month, 3 months. And unfortunately, I don't have that kind of dependability on my time of when I can do stuff. Secondly, I don't have the accountability, or I don't want the accountability for building for somebody else. Right now with WideFox, this is the very first time I've done this, and as much as it's turning out fantastic, I honestly don't know if this stuff's going to last for 5,000 miles. I'd hate to build for somebody else and them call me or email, text, blah, 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 and say, you built me a car that can't handle potholes. I can't handle that. I'll live and sleep at night if the stuff I do on the bodywork for the fiberglass falls apart. I can blame myself, and I'm okay with that. Until I get some miles on WideFox and prove that everything I've done is capable of holding up, then we can talk. So hopefully you guys understand that I won't be building for anybody else on a time frame or as an accountability factor at this point. I think I'm about 2 years out from that. But if you guys have followed my Instagram, you know that I'm looking into putting this into a true business on the side on a request to limitation that I may build limited cars, and when I say they're ready to go, I will sell them. So that's it for this episode of Real Talk on why I won't build for anybody else right now. Hopefully you guys understand, but we'll see you next time.